Havoc, and I can see why. Man's got a grin on his shirt that says ha ha ha. Like you said, he's a little unhinged.
Unhinged, unbreakable.
Nice lock up in the center of the ring. Oh! And there's your power from the Tennessee Tornado.
Check out the shirt. What are you going to get one of those shirts? It's coming soon. That's what I'm saying. There. Then you're staying on. Looking for me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Tornado telling the referee that. Billy Havoc and the Tennessee Tornado circling each other, looking for another lockup. And Billy Havoc exiting the ring again. I don't know if this is smart. Now he's going with the fans. I don't know, Jason. I don't know, but. We all know Billy Havoc isn't playing with a full deck, so maybe he thinks he's a fan. I don't know.
Come back. I got it. Come on, I got it. No, you people really need to shut up. I'm not sick and tired of hearing you. Come on, get in here. What are you doing? Come on. Stay in the ring. He's hurting me for no reason. That's what's going on. It's going on. Stay in the ring.
Zooming in on the action. Nice lockup. Tennessee Tornado back and Billy Havoc into the corner. This is ridiculous. Billy Havoc pulling all sorts of tricks. Another lockup right in the center. Back, Tornado backing him again.
You see that?
I didn't see it, sir.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. What's going on? I got it. He's on.
Ladies and gentlemen, my energetic co-host Bobby Slam coming back. Hopefully he can give me some updates on the condition of Diamond Derry Myers.
Don't you start there.
I spoke to our medical personnel back in the back. They are checking on him. We have a slight concussion. He is all right. He's speaking with him. I think he'll be all right.
Okay, that's good news.
I've got some big news. I'll let you know. We're going to announce at the end of this match.
Wow, I'm excited.
Big news.
I love it when we have big news in TWA, Bobby.
Some of the biggest news I've had since I've been here. See, Tornado really giving it to Billy Havoc.
Well, now Billy Havoc has pulled every trick out of the book, including the fake slaps and everything, but hair pulling.
He's known for that.
He's definitely he's living up to the unhinged comment, man.
I guarantee you, Tennessee Tornado studied some of the takes of Billy Havoc before coming into this match.
Wow! What a right hand of Billy Havoc sends him out of the ring, right to the floor.
He's got a knuckle imprint in between his eyes. You see that?